Welcome back to our channel where we talk about software development and everything related to it. Today, we are going to discuss the advantages of using Oracle JDK as the Java JDK for IntelliJ IDEA. Please share the video on all your social media platforms. Let's first understand, what is Oracle JDK? Oracle JDK, the Java Development Kit, is a widely used software development kit used for developing applications in the Java programming language. It is a collection of tools and utilities that help developers to create, test, and deploy Java applications. Now, why should we use Oracle JDK as the Java JDK for IntelliJ IDEA? There are several reasons why Oracle JDK is the preferred Java JDK for IntelliJ IDEA. Let's dive into some of the benefits. Number one, improved performance. Oracle JDK is known for providing better performance than OpenJDK, which is an open source alternative to Oracle JDK. This means that your Kotlin code will run faster and more efficiently when compiled with Oracle JDK. Oracle JDK uses advanced optimization techniques and algorithms to compile code, resulting in better performance. This is especially important when you are working with large, complex Kotlin projects that require a lot of processing power. Number two, enhanced stability. Oracle JDK is known for its stability, which means that your Kotlin code will be more reliable and less prone to crashes or other unexpected issues. This is because Oracle JDK is rigorously tested and has undergone extensive quality assurance processes. As a result, it is less likely to encounter errors or issues during runtime. This is especially important when developing enterprise-level Kotlin applications that need to run flawlessly for long periods of time. Number three, better support. Oracle provides excellent support for its JDK, which means that if you encounter any issues, you can easily find solutions to those problems. Oracle has a dedicated support team that can help you resolve any issues you may encounter during development. Additionally, Oracle provides regular updates to its JDK to fix bugs, add new features, and improve performance. Number four, advanced tools. Oracle JDK includes advanced tools and utilities that can help you to develop your Kotlin code more efficiently. For example, Oracle JDK includes JVisual VM, which can be used to monitor and analyze Java applications. JVisual VM provides real-time performance metrics, thread and heap analysis, and profiling. This makes it easier to identify and fix performance issues in your code. Number five, security. Oracle JDK includes robust security features that can help you to develop secure Kotlin applications. This is especially important if you are developing applications that can handle sensitive data or transactions. Oracle JDK includes features such as JCE, Java Cryptography Extension, and JAS, Java Authentication and Authorization Service. This can help you to secure your Kotlin applications. Additionally, Oracle regularly releases security updates to its JDK to patch any vulnerabilities that may be discovered. In summary, Oracle JDK is a reliable and efficient JDK for Kotlin development in IntelliJ IDEA. Its improved performance, enhanced stability, better support, advanced tools, and security features make it the preferred choice for developers worldwide. We have come to the end of the video, so please support the channel by doing the following. Share the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and leave a comment below stating as to which one you think is the greatest advantage of Oracle JDK.